Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into EdCloud, Myncedcloud account access step by step clearly. Open your web browser on a computer, Chromebook, or mobile device. Check that your internet connection is working before you continue. In the address bar, type Myncedcloud.org and press enter. Wait for the EdCloud login page to fully load. Look for the username and password fields on the sign-in screen. Click inside the username field to place your cursor. Enter your EdCloud username exactly as provided by your school. Click inside the password field. Type your EdCloud password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a shared device, do not enable any Remember Password option. Confirm that your username and password have no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Click the Login or Sign In button to continue. If prompted, complete any verification step your district requires. If you see an error message, recheck your username and password and try again. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link if it is available. If there is no reset link, contact your teacher, school help desk, or district IT support. After a successful login, wait for your EdCloud dashboard to appear. On the dashboard, locate the Myncedcloud or EdCloud apps area. Click the Myncedcloud tile or the app icon you need to open. If a new tab opens, allow pop-ups for the site if your browser blocks it. If the page loads slowly, refresh once and wait a few seconds. If you are using a Chromebook at school, confirm you are signed into the correct school profile. For mobile users, rotate the screen or zoom in if the login fields are hard to see. To keep your account secure, avoid logging in on public networks when possible. When you finish, look for your name or profile menu on the page. Click the profile menu and select Sign Out or Log Out. Close the browser tab to prevent others from accessing your session. If you need to log in again later, repeat the same steps using the official Myncedcloud.org address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.